Ding 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 ding.
আজকে কি হওয়ার কথা? আজকে বোধহয় এক
We'll start with C double.
কালকে
We
বোধহয়
have
ইফেল
to
সবজি।
we have to look at other subjects also.
হুম
We were
There are so
doing
many subjects.
we were in the LC part, right?
ইয়েস
Short and terminary. Last time it was terminary.
টার্নারি।
Yep. Okay, let
Homework, আমার homework ছিল।
yeah. Did you do it?
Yeah, I do it. I just tried, but how can I do this? Just I tried and done, and I saw that it's working. But
Show
in
me.
that time, I really don't know how it's working.
Show me.
Is it visible?
Yeah. What?
It is work.
Okay, Arjit C.
হুম Yeah, I'm just
Uh,
saying.
If I change the number,
this
then
is not the correct method, but still
It's
it's
wrong.
working.
yes, still it's working.
Can you tell me why? It is not the correct method. No, the conditioning is wrong.
Condition is wrong. Also, whatever the value he is printing, that is also wrong.
Yes, that is what I'm saying.
Condition actually wrong.
But it is
But
working.
how it's
Why?
working?
Can you, Ajit, try why it's working?
Where is the output? I did not see that.
Run it, Akash.
Oh,
If I change the number,
okay. Eh,
The condition is working well,
How?
but there is a bug. So
Yeah,
these
I
are the
thought like
problem.
it will. I thought it will every time go to the even number because if this like if condition is not satisfying, so anyhow its default will be executed. I thought like that, but after that, when he was changed that, value also changed. How?
See, whenever you divide something with 2,
Hmm. Hmm.
there will be always two result. Two modulus will come, 0 and 1.
Hmm.
In the programming, 0 means false
False.
and 1 means true.
Hmm.
So when it's returning 1,
Hmm.
the if block should be executed, and when it's returning 0, the else block should be executed.
Hmm.
But here, Akash just remove the 17th line. Let's see what happens. 17th.
17.
Mm,
That
Return,
one.
return, return.
yeah.
Yes.
Oh,
Double
sorry,
slash.
it's not this one.
Double slash.
Hmm.
You're thinking it's Python. Run. Still it's working. I don't know why. Okay. I think I gave you the answer.
My number modulus.
Considered true.
So,
But while 0 is false. When the modulus will be 0, that is
hmm,
even,
even,
right?
even. Hmm.
Okay, 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 got it.
Because
Yeah,
of that, it's running. Because of
yeah,
that,
yeah,
it's running.
yeah,
Because whenever you are moduling with those numbers, when the value is coming or like one or something else, so that is true. Because of that, it's going to the odd number. It's totally different.
yeah. When the 0 is coming, it is
That time
even
it's
number.
even number, right?
Means it's working in different way. The right condition means you are comparing on the basis of boolean, but it should be on the basis of integer. It should
Hmm.
be double equal to 1. The working would be
In the
same.
condition section.
Yes, the condition should be my number modulus 2 double equal to 1.
Equal to zero, zero.
Double equal to 1.
One, huh? One, one.
Yeah,
Hmm. Now it is fulfilled.
nothing will change. Every the
Hmm.
program will run at the same level.
Uh,
Nothing will change. But now the condition is correct.
hmm.
Did you understand what was happening earlier, Akash?
Yeah, yeah, understood.
Hmm. See,
But
Arijit,
why
he got
I
his
comment out
compiler.
the
What
return
about
or
you?
return?
What? What? Sorry.
He got his compiler. What about you?
I'll work with VS Code only.
Did you set up it or you have
No,
to?
no, 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 no. I did not check that. Just a minute. Sorry, bro.
Okay. Uh, let's start.
Today, I think from where we have to start? After Turner, you know.
Yeah, no, we'll start with switch. The switch is also like work uh, like if else only.
Hmm.
The main thing is you can create a ladder,
Hmm.
as much ladder you want.
Like, however, we're working with LSIP, this is like this only.
Yeah,
Like default one
with
is
Many
L.
slight
else
with slight
statement.
difference.
Hmm.
Instead of writing many else if statement, you can use switch statement. The switch statement selects only. Oh, sorry, I'm not presenting. Just am I presenting?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes, yes.
But it is not showing here.
Now we are not presenting.
So, is see, you have to put the expression here. Expression means the value which you want to compare. Then the cases you want to compare with what value?
Case
You are
means
putting case means you want to, if the value is 5, if the value is 7, if the value is 10, like that. Cases means for the case, in case the value is 7, what will happen? This will happen. If the value is 15, what will happen? This case will be executed, like that. Let us
uh,
go to the example, then we will understand.
Hmm.
The switch expression is evaluated once. Uh, the value of expression is compared with the value of each cases. So whatever you will put here, that will be compared with each cases one by one. If you didn't put the break statement, it will continue to compare with every cases. If there is a match, the associated block of code is executed. The break statement breaks out the switch block and stop the execution. It is not like else if that only one block will be executed. What will happen if you don't break put the break statement, it will continue to execute the next lines. Here is an example. See, the day is here, so we are putting the value of day. Case 1. Case 1 means if the value of the day is 1, then we would print Monday. Then Tuesday. If 3, then Wednesday. If 4, then Thursday, like that, and so on. And there will be, you can put a default value. If no cases matched with that value, the default will be executed. Do you understand that?
Hmm.
So
switch.
yeah, that is called switch. Okay, do one thing, try to do this thing by your own. This is very easy. After that we will go into loop, and after the loop you will have lots of exercises.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
The same thing can I
And
do
also
or different
Arijit,
thing?
set up your compiler.
Yeah.
I saying something?
I'm asking that can I do the same thing or different thing?
It's on you. Whatever you will do, that will make your brain grow.
Hmm.
Uh-huh.
My screen is presented, right? I want to show you something. See, this condition is met. What will
Hmm.
happen if I remove this one, this break, and this break, and this break?
All this will be executed.
Only yes,
Why? That only this case is matched, right?
Yeah, but you did not.
because you include the break option. Hmm.
So this is the difference of switch and else if. Anyone want to take the admission here for BTech? It's not online. OMC reaches.
Hmm. एक मिनट जस्ट a minute अंडा है तेरे पास 3 दिन मैं तेरे को इवनिंग को देता हूँ कल साला खिचड़ी देगा भूख लगेगा नहीं तो और एक दे मैं तेरे को शाम को देता हूँ आपको
आ गया तो आप डेढ़ कर अगर बच्चा नहीं आया तो आप डेढ़ ही कर
Hello.
Yeah. You okay? You changed it. Good. Good
If I
that you
change
have
the
done
number,
something with your brain.
yeah, it's working.
Yeah.
I just copy paste on that option means here to here. Then it is
Okay, I got
very easy
it.
to
But
work.
okay, put it 13.
Put it 13.
Yeah.
13 is nothing. 13. How it work? Obviously, nothing.
Yeah, I told
Nothing
you
is
right
there.
that there is a default value. You have to put default value. If no case works, then that will be executed automatically.
Hmm.
Put it at the very last.
Here.
Yeah. Not like that. Default. DEFAULT. And in that, yes, that one. It should be semantic with the case, perfectly aligned with the case. The case keyword, yes, it should be exactly under the case code. Yeah. Put the colon. Put the colon.
Here.
Yeah. Not semicolon. Colon.
Default.
Yeah.
Then print.
Now print. print something. What you want to show them? Oh, suggestion is also coming. This is not good.
Yes.
You can write something. The month number is invalid.
Let's try now. Oh, undefined symbol. Printf. What did it mean? What is this error? Defense right. Let's see.
What's the error?
Undefined symbol.
Undefined
Okay,
symbol.
okay, understood. My one enter is not working. Only one enter is working.
Arijit, is it not done yet?
Yeah, it's done.
So, how is it?
Just a minute. Actually, I was installing the VS Code C extension and VS Code setup. Is visible.
Yeah. You have to save it. Start from the elevator. What if I put like yes?
Right now it won't work because I did
Put
not put
something
that.
there. Put something default.
Okay.
You are not required to uh, put that break statement at the very last because there is nothing after that, right? So
Yeah,
nothing will
this.
be executed.
Yeah. So
ये मेरे को तो भाई ये डिफरेंट ये वाली क्या प्ले करेंगे ना ये क्या खत्म हो जाएगा ठीक है सर हाँ लोग अभी लोग आने के बाद ठीक है
Mm.
ये बात
Okay, let's move forward. Presenting.
I'm stopping, no?
Yeah. So it will not work here if we want to take something from outside. We'll use scanf.
Actually, I tried to use string, but we actually not used to with string how it will work. We did character with that array kind of thing. I
Yeah.
tried, it's not working here.
Why?
I'm sharing, I'm presenting the screen.
Okay, present.
I'm just doing this. So if I'm putting here name, so I have to mention this and also the index.
What? Put something. Yeah. Put some value. Yeah. Okay. Okay, got it. So the string will not work here, or we have to work around.
This expression must be integral constant expression.
What is saying?
Is saying expression must
Expression
be
must
an
be an
integral.
integral. Okay.
Should I put this quick fix?
Yeah, do. It will not work.
I thought like
In the switch, it will not work.
hmm. If I'm doing in L if
Yeah, in the else if it will work. Okay, let me show you how you would uh, get something from the terminal. Means out input from the terminal. My screen is not visible, right?
Your screen.
Yeah, I'm showing that. See? Is it
Hmm.
visible?
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Hmm.
Just a minute, I'm rearranging my windows. What is happening? What? Okay. Mm, so for that very reason, you have to use scanf.
Scanf.
Yeah. See?
Hmm.
Scanf. There, you will
Scanf stands for
function. I think so. Percentage
Okay.
D. D for uh
decimal. No.
D for integers.
D for
Default.
integer.
And you have to uh, so whatever I will get there, I will put it into uh, this day. Okay, so for that I have to put ampersand day because I am assigning the value into it. So before that I will print something. So it will not work here. You have to do it on the real compiler. Do it on your end. Check if it's working. C++ extension pack. Oh, it's already installed. Okay, I'm also installing. What is that? I have to put it somewhere else. If you are done, just tell me.
Hmm. What? Yeah, I done. I've done. Scanf.
It's working, right? Akash? What about you?
Yeah,
It's working? So
actually,
what you will do?
scanf, scanf. What is the function in the
Scanf.
scanf? Yeah, it's done.
What is the purpose of using scanf?
To take some output, input, dynamic for the dynamic values. Means now you are hard coding the value into the variable itself. Later you will take it from the outside and you
Okay.
will do it. You will
Okay.
calculate.
Like like in JavaScript prompt.
Like you are asking, means my age is different, your age is different. So not
Mhm.
every time you will go, I will tell you and you will just hard code it into the program.
Mm.
After compiling it also, it should work. Now you are directly hard coding and then you are running it, you are
Mm.
compiling it, but
Mm.
after the compilation it should work. If you are sending the compiled version to someone, to 1,000 people, it should work
Mm.
differently for the 1,000 of each.
But what about that characters like
Yeah, see, I'm doing, yeah. For the character the thing is same. uh, only only one thing will be extra, that is ampersand. Else it will be the same data format. For the string it will be little different. What do we have to do? We have to first create the variable. So let's see day name. Now we have to mention the size of the array, like 20. Now when I'm scanning it, please enter the name. Now here I can take the name like this, whatever the user will put. But the problem is we put here 20, means 20 character can be hold into this variable.
hmm.
But what if user put 100 characters? There will be an error. For that,
Mhm.
what we'll do, we'll limit it. We'll limit it 19. Why 19? Because C counts from 0.
Hmm.
Now we'll get the value perfectly.
Hmm.
Mostly in our next phrase, while when we learn about loop, we'll mostly working with numbers, integers or float.
Hmm.
There will be very less use of a string. So let us move to the next chapter, which is loop. First is while loop. While loop is, you have to write this keyword while, while, then the condition, then the block to be executed. Loop means what? if you want to do one thing 1,000 times or many more time repeatedly, at that time we use, for those cases we use loop. So there are certain conditions on, if those conditions are met, those block of the code will be executed repeatedly until those expression or those conditions are met. In while loop, there is some condition into this, like if, what we, the condition we gave into the if. But you have to make sure that as the code, this block of code is executing, in a certain point of time, this condition automatically should be false, else it will run infinitely. For the everlasting to everlasting it will run.
Explain it again, please.
You have to implement some kind of logic into this block so that after a certain period this condition automatically get false, else
Hmm.
this block this block of code will run unlimited time, means it will not stop until you stop, you are stopping explicitly. In the previous, in the older time, what happened, there was a compiler, very basic compiler of the C. So there was there was any, there were no system to stop the program. So they ran the loop and somehow it became forever loop and the whole computer got crashed. Then they created a system to block that, so that without crashing the whole computer you can just stop the loop, to stop the program.
Hmm.
See, here is the program, here is the condition, this will be run. But the problem is, the solution is that we have to make it false after a certain period of time. So what we are doing, we are increasing the I after each run of this block, we are increasing the I. So after fourth time it will be false because the value of I will be 5, then it will not run again. Are you understanding
Yeah,
what I'm
understand.
saying? The compiler will come, it will check here, if it is true then it will execute this block again,
Hmm.
it will come here, it will check, if it is true then again this block of code will be executed, like this. In the loop it will happen. You can see.
Because it's
uh,
starting with zero. Hmm.
what if I remove this, what will happen?
Nothing will happen.
Really,
No,
I'm
I
pasting
think
this code into the chat, run it into your computer.
Only zero will be print.
no, no, no,
Really.
no. It will be infinite.
Try to run it on your computer, how much
No, no,
RAM you
no.
have?
I did before it. It's
How much
totally
RAM
hang.
you have? 48
Yeah,
GB, right?
yeah.
That's a good
48
amount of
GB.
RAM.
40 GB.
40.
Try to run this program.
No, 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 no. I saw that before.
Okay, let's run here.
Ooh.
They
WC
have
school
safety.
got
They have
class.
safety. It will not execute like that. They have safety.
Hmm.
I think a certain period after a certain number of print, it will be blocked.
It's not being executed.
It is being executed. It will fetch after the execution.
Oh shit.
In the DSA, loop is very, very, very important.
Hmm.
And what happened?
Zero 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 zero.
How many zeros are there?
Oh.
I think a billion time it. If I try to select, see what is that indicator? Here only.
It's too much, too much.
Hmm. That will happen with your phone
Hmm.
and with your computer.
Do the use the decrement.
Okay. If I do also decrement also, it will run infinitely. So for that we have to just change the
Greater.
condition.
Mhm.
0, 5.
Equal 5.
5 4 3 2 1.
I think you have understood. These
Mm.
have lots of capability. Okay.
Mm.
This is the note here. Do
Not
not
forget
forget
to.
to increase the value variable used in the condition, otherwise the loop will never end. What is the purpose of while loop in C? To execute a block of code a fixed number of times. To execute a block of code as long as satisfied condition is true. Specified
Specify.
condition is true.
Mhm.
To execute code only if a condition is false. To declare multiple variable in a loop. Which
Second
one?
one.
Second.
Now do while. What is the difference? Do while it will execute this one first, then it will check the condition.
Mm.
So if the condition is true or false, that doesn't matter. First, for one time, it will execute the code.
Mm.
Then it will check. If it is true, then again the code will be executed.
Mm. If
If
it is
it is
false,
false, it will
mm.
pass on. It will
Yeah,
go and execute the later lines.
yeah.
Mhm.
See here. So while, do while. There are three types of loop in C: while, do while, and for loop. The same here.
Yeah. The difference is first we are initializing the code block statement. After that, we are adding the condition.
Let's see.
Hmm.
This is not true.
False. Zero.
It has came, right?
Hmm.
But in that case, it won't have came.
Tudum, 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 tudum.
Why it's taking lots of time? Yeah. See, nothing came.
Hmm.
Because the block is not being executed because the condition is not met.
Hmm.
Here, regardless of condition, once it will execute it. After that, the condition will be checked.
Hmm.
Saw the difference?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Again, the same. Okay, someone address this.
What is the main difference between do while loop and while loop? The do while loop checks the condition first. The do while loop execute the code block at least once before checking the condition. This one, second one, I think.
Hmm.
The do while loop is on.
Akash, what do you say? Say something. Use your brain.
Let, what is the main difference between two and condition first? No, the second one.
Yeah, second one he said only.
Okay. This is the second one.
Real life example. Countdown. A variable with some specific number. A variable to store the reverse number.
Reverse.
Now see, here they are doing some complex stuff. Get the last number of the numbers and add it to the reverse number. Remove the last number of the numbers. You will not understand it now. Later I will explain to you. Here another example. Dice. I think we can do something with it. Should I finish the for loop for you
Yeah.
today? Then I
Yeah.
can give you some homework. For loop is the loop which is mostly used in real life coding.
Yeah.
Okay.
First, you have to initialize a variable. Initialize means you can directly declare it here also or initialize. Then there will be a condition in between. On the basis of this condition, the whole loop will work. Then you have to increase that variable or decrease,
Hmm.
and they will be
Mhm.
separated by semicolon.
Hmm. First it will check 0, after that it will, we are incrementing, that will be 1. If 1 is less than 5, so then it
Oh,
will be
I
printing.
think this will also work. In Java it works. Uh, if I
But
do it, okay, it's working. There should have three expression. If you want to do it like this, you can do, but still there should be this semicolon.
Hmm. Yes, I think like, it's not a good practice, I think. Like,
Sometimes you may require to do so.
yeah.
And also this one would should work.
Hmm.
Mostly we use this one.
Hmm.
Int
This is actually
variable.
very clear cut indication. So whatever we have to do is a basically side by side, and we can easily look up over there. Uh, this video is live telecasting or what?
Yeah, it's being telecasted.
Send your channel name in chat.
Okay. But you can't find it. I have to send the link.
Just send me in WhatsApp or something.
I'm sending you the live program itself. So now here is your task. Do you understand this, Akash?
Yeah, I understood.
So now it is okay. Take the note from here, starting from here. Take this syntax and example, else you will forget. Right, right.
Hmm. Mhm. Okay, I just done.
One also.
Only this one, right?
Yeah. No, no, whole one. I have taken.
No, hold. The is fold also.
For loop also. This example.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Next, I will give some. I'll give you something. Nested loop is also there. Not okay. Okay. Many things left. Okay. Now let us start our math class.
Okay, let's start.